I'm Karen Feinerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be looking at number 59 in my list of the 100 top traders. Now today we'll be looking at Eton Capital. Now using this strategy, it's done so well for me, it's put me in the top 3% in the most recent CNBC tournaments, and you can see how it's done for me in previous tournaments. And what we merely do is follow the holdings of the richest, most successful investors out there, and we find them through these free websites. Then get an average analyst ranking through these free sites. So again, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of December 18, 2009. Now looking at the holdings of Eton Capital, you can see that they have Merck, UEPS, and BRSN, all coming in at 4.33 out of 5 stars, or a moderate buy. You can also see all their holdings that come into the hold and sell camps at this time. Now these are available for Stock Picker for those of you who are interested in learning more about this company. Now looking at the individual chart of Merck, you can see that it's been in quite a run for the last 7 months and had a golden cross pretty much on all of its moving averages in this August time frame. You can see that it's sitting on good solid support right now, but stochastics is embedded right now and possibly losing its embedded status and heading lower. But we're seeing good solid support right here at its 20-day moving average. So while it may be coming down, I see good support on this one. As for, what is it, UEPS, that is UEPS Technologies, this one's been more or less flat for the last 2 months or so in a tight trading range. Stochastics is in the mid of the range and heading upward, but you have some trouble getting over the moving averages right now at this time. So until there's a catalyst to move this one higher, I'd probably say stay away for now. As for, what is it, VeriSign, this one had quite a pop today, above all its moving averages. So you should probably investigate that news and make your own decisions on that. Stochastics is in the mid of the range and heading higher. So if this breakout is on worthwhile news, you'd probably look at investing in this one. So, in review, the moderate buys are Merck, UEPS, and VeriSign, all coming in at moderate buys. You can also see there's no strong buys at this time. And again, I'd like to remind you, all analyst recommendations are as of December 18, 2009. And if you'd like a more up-to-date reading of Eton Capital, you can find it on Stock Picker, then get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. So, on to my disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today are what I'm doing for my friends and family's accounts. And I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own shares of silver at this time. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time for I'm a Whale Watcher. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, creator of The Predatory Lender. Now, if the previous was a little too boring for you, try The Predatory Lender and join their team as they go on their intergalactic adventures trying to hunt down the next great investment opportunity for you.